Hey guys, welcome back to the Bluebonnet Homestead. Today I'm going to show y'all how to save seeds from the marigold flowers. I'm in my backyard. I have just so many marigolds and they've kind of gotten to the point where they're getting a little crispy, so I'm going to start deadheading and take them inside and show y'all how it is done. So as you can see, that is a perfect flower. We really want the kind that are really wilted, like I said, crispy. When you touch them, they'll crackle. So I'm just going to go through, see that? It's really dry. Some of them are still a little green, but you can tell by the feel if they're dry or not. So I'm just going to put some of these in my bucket. And I'm just going to gradually do these day to day. So there, we've got a good little handful. So I'm going to go ahead and take these inside and start taking the seeds out. Alright, so as you can see, I just took some seeds out of one of them, and I am doing this inside because if I'm outside, they tend to blow everywhere. So, but as you can see, you just open it up, it's very papery, and the seeds are right inside. And that is literally, that is it. You just peel it. You can pull them out, but I find that it's easier to get everything out if you just kind of peel the papery skin back. So just pull the petals off, and then right underneath that, they're all of the seeds. And I am saving all of the petals for my daughter. We're gonna do a couple of little projects with them. But, so look at that. I've been saving marigold seeds. I started about a week ago on this batch. It has been so hot here. They have been drying out super quickly. So yeah, see, these are probably the easiest thing to save seeds out of ever. They grow really fast. They look beautiful. They're so beneficial to your garden, and they give back so much. So I definitely recommend growing these, whether it is in a pot, in your garden, just in your front yard. These are just wonderful little flowers to have. And you will literally, you can grow one plant and you will have enough seeds to last you for years. Yeah, because I'm saving all of mine, and I'm going to portion them up, give them to all of my sisters, cousins, friends, just anybody who wants them. Oh, zinnias. Also got a ton of zinnias that I'm going to need to collect the seeds from, but we'll do that in a different video. So I've got a good little pile going on. And yeah, this is what I've been collecting over the last week. So I'm going to go ahead and plant some more tomorrow and then start giving them out to all of my family. Alright, so that is about it. There's not really anything else to cover. It's so simple, such an easy thing to save for. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.